Built on Hexagon's Enhanced Productivity Series concept, the Global S family of coordinate measuring machines uses smart technologies and sensor configurations to streamline the creation, execution, and analysis of measurement routines. Global S machines address 4 common productivity drivers: throughput, precision, flexibility, and shop floor integration. Smart technologies, including compass and fly-to mode, find the most efficient route, increasing scanning speed while maintaining accuracy, saving time. Scan Pilot offers greater motion control, providing robust scanning performance even when the path is unknown, increasing productivity. Eco Mode and Eco Mode Plus automatically power down the CMM when idle, reducing operating costs. The Tri-Cision Bridge offers an optimal stiffness to mass ratio, providing high accuracy and long-term stability, while dovetail guideways ensure precise motion along the entire travel path of the machine. PCDMIS lets you quickly create and execute programs. And PCDMIS's operator interface, Inspect, allows you to choose a predefined measurement routine, improving operator workflow. Quindos lets experienced quality technicians create measurement routines for complex geometries and provides enhanced analysis. Pulse monitors the machine's environment, whether an operator is by the machine or across the facility, keeping it working at full potential. Articulating wrists provide flexibility to measure different features on the same part without changing probe types. Touch trigger probes cover most basic application measurements, while scanning probes such as the HPS X1H allow the user to obtain more data faster than traditional touch trigger probing. The HPL non-contact scanning probe is ideal for applications such as reverse engineering and point cloud creation that require gathering dense data sets. In addition, this non-contact scanning probe performs free-form surface inspection for parts that are fragile or soft, while the HPC VE optical scanner measures parts that are too small for a stylus or require minimal contact. Automatic tool changers allow quick and accurate probe and styli changes without the need for requalification, significantly increasing throughput. You can rely on Hexagon to provide application support, on-site inspection, and training. Our solution centers worldwide are there to support you every step of the way. Accelerate your productivity. Handle any measurement demand. Get accurate, actionable results. Accelerate your throughput and have support for your success.